Finding the courage to change. Suffering or enjoying? It used to be very difficult for me to make a decision. I agonized over them. My desire to make a perfect choice kept me stuck. I would put off making a decision until the last minute. Finally, I would feel forced to decide, and the last minute decision never felt good. My hesitation came from the idea that I would suffer the consequences if I chose poorly. But there's a different way to approach decision making. What if I decide to enjoy the consequences of my decisions instead? I've slowly realized that no matter what happens, I can't get it wrong. Every mistake or failure brings me a gift: more knowledge, more clarity, more confidence, a knowing that things will always work out for the best. Things are always working out for me. When I relax and connect with my higher power, I can see that every difficulty in my life laid a foundation for something better. Sometimes the something better was a long time coming, but the timing was always perfect. I know that things are always working out for me because I have evidence. Those experiences and challenges helped me learn, grow, and become who I am today. I can help others because I know what I know, and I could not have learned it any other way. Today, I know that I will enjoy the consequences of every decision that I make when I take the time to connect with Source and listen for guidance. And if I forget to do that from time to time, that's okay too. I'll learn and become more consistent about enjoying the consequences of my decisions.